Introducing Promptmate's Marketing Plan Template, your one-stop solution to streamline and systematize the strategic planning process for businesses. Get started by clicking on Use Template. As an input, all you have to do is add your product name or service and describe your offer. Then click on Run. Once the results are ready, you will be able to see that this template operates systematically by executing a sequence of strategic steps. The template will define target audience, define buyer personas, identify competitors on Google SERPs, summarize and analyze competitor offerings, unique selling propositions and key features, define product positioning, define branding and messaging, create content marketing plan, create partner marketing plan, create influencer marketing plan, create event marketing plan, create paid advertising plan, create email marketing plan, create customer support and relationship management plan, create monitoring plan for marketing strategies. You can then change displayed fields as you prefer and download the results as a CSV, or directly open them on Google Spreadsheet. By automating key steps and leveraging data-driven insights, businesses can optimize their marketing efforts for greater effectiveness and success. And this is exactly what this Promptmate template can do for you. Go ahead and create your marketing plan for your own product or service. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.